Hi, welcome to Mataba TV. I am Magabonge Mataba, bringing you the hottest South African news. Today we've got two stories that we'll discuss. Our first story, woman who allegedly confessed to butchering her husband refuses to take medication, eats hospital food. Our second story, two teens arrested after Pietermaritzburg teacher's body found in a car boot. Alright, let's dive into these stories. Woman who allegedly confessed to butchering her husband refuses to take medication, eats hospital food. Mary accused Nancy Majonhi remains unfit to attend the court after refusing to eat hospital food. According to a medical report submitted to the Magwasa Magistrates Court, Majonhi, who's 42 years old, was ill and not fit to apply for bail as she had earlier requested. Majonhi refused to eat meal provided to her at the hospital where she was admitted. She also refused to take her prescribed medication. The court has so far postponed Majonhi formal bail application 3 times since August due to her poor health. Northwestern National Prosecuting Authority (NBA) spokesperson Henry Mamotame said her medical report was submitted to the court. It confirmed that owing her ill health, she is not fit to attend the court. Now listen what this woman did. On the 28th July 2015, Majonhi allegedly hit her husband Prosper Chibungare with a hammer as they rented a room in Leditch village near Sun City. Chibungare lost consciousness and Majonhi allegedly chopped his body to pieces with a spade. His body parts were dumped in their neighborhood pit toilet. So yeah, this is what this woman is accused of. Allegedly killed and dismembered her husband's body. Alright, let's move to our next story. Our next story that we'll talk about two teenagers that got arrested after Pietermaritzburg's teacher's body found in car boot. Two teenagers are in the police custody after a woman was found dead in the car boot of her car in Pietermaritzburg. Police were alerted to a suspicious vehicle in Hanneville on Friday. They found the body of Lungisile Tamaranzama wrapped in a blanket in the boot. They said the 48-year-old local teacher had bruises on her body and several open wounds. Police say two suspects aged 16 and 18 were arrested in connection with the murder over the weekend. They appeared in court on Monday. They will be back in court in December for bail. Alright, you can comment in the comment section what do you think of these two stories, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel, and hit the bell notification to be notified of future uploads. And thank you again. Stay tuned here on Mataba TV for more news like this. I'll see you again on my next uploads.